Hey, you want to start doing some sport, but don't know where to start? Push-ups are one of the best exercises there is, but many people struggle with doing them properly. This video will teach you how to improve your push-ups now. It contains helpful tips and explanations on how to do push-ups in a way that actually works and can be maintained by anyone. Push-up bands. While they can help you tone up your arms and chest, they are less effective on pushing up without perfect form, as they require more energy to use because they're not designed for this type of movement like normal handheld weights. Also, they have to be positioned at the right angle to be effective, which can be difficult to know without looking at a mirror. Normal handheld dumbbells. These can be used in place of normal dumbbells because they're more stable and easier to use than a push-up bar. They cost less than push-up bars do and are also easier for people with arthritis or joint problems to use. However, if you're looking for something more effective and don't mind the extra weight, check out the Body Power Weighted Dumbells. Push-up bars. These are a must for any serious lifter. They allow you to perform push-ups without having to lift your own body weight and can help you build up your arms and chest. The downside is the price. They cost hundreds of dollars, but they last forever. One person I know has used one of these for 10 years, which is a significant investment compared to using dumbbells or push-up bars. If you don't want to invest this much in one piece of equipment, there are some cheaper options out there. Muscle confusion. The idea behind muscle confusion is to constantly keep your body guessing by varying your workout and switching up the exercises. This can be as simple as mixing up the order of exercises you do, or gauging between push-ups and bench presses every time you go to the gym. If you're trying to lose weight, then muscle confusion will help keep your body guessing, so it won't get used to any one exercise and burn fewer calories. If, however, your goal is just bigger arms or a more toned body, then muscle confusion may not work for you. Cater to your current level. Conditioning strength is all about doing one or two lifts that you find the most difficult when you first start. For example, if you can bench press 200 pounds and on your next workout could only lift 150 pounds, then pick something else to do because it'll be harder. This is also true of how well you can do push-ups. If you can't do 10 perfect push-ups after one day, then don't try to add them on top of that, because it'll be much more difficult and won't work as well as adding a new exercise would. The same goes for anything else in life. If something is too difficult, then don't try to push past that point. Instead, ease into it and slowly build up. If you're trying to lose weight, then adding a new exercise may be a great way to burn even more calories and help you lose the weight faster. Or if you're just getting started on your journey and aren't sure what workout is too difficult or easy, then this will be an important factor in figuring out where to start. As your body gains weight, its ability to do push-ups will also increase or decrease depending on how well you can do them now. Why push-ups are so good for you? While they're just body weight exercise, push-ups make you strong from head to toe. This means that every part of your body is getting stronger. And this is what will allow you to do more and build muscle faster. Push-ups also work your core in multiple ways, so you can be balanced and keep good posture throughout your entire workout. And unlike many other exercises, push-ups are a full-body exercise that'll help with many other things like good posture, flexibility, and coordination. They're also easy to fit into any type of routine because they only take about 6 minutes to complete. They can be done anywhere because there are no machines required for them. The perfect push-up. As one of the best exercises you can do, push-ups are extremely versatile and can be done anywhere. They can also be adjusted to accommodate anyone, and because they only take a few minutes to complete, they're great for fitting into any type of routine. Push-ups work multiple body parts like your arms, chest, core, shoulders, and back. This means that each time you push up, you're toning your muscles all over instead of just one area. And unlike many other exercises that don't work your full body at once, Push-ups give more stability throughout your entire body, so you'll stay healthier in the long run. Push-ups are also very simple. They can be done with your hands almost anywhere, which makes them easy to fit into any situation. Hold yourself up with your arms or use push-up bars and braces to help you. You can also do them one at a time or do multiple at once. If you're looking for something to target your arms and chest, then push-ups will burn fat in the long run because of their great calorie burning potential, and make sure that you're getting the results that you want. This will also help with toning up your entire body, which will give your muscles an added strength boost over time. What will happen to your body? Push-ups will make your arms, chest, and shoulders bigger. You'll also be building up your core and using many other muscles as well. Over time, you'll be able to do more push-ups and lift bigger weights. This means that you can see yourself getting stronger faster and toning up your entire body while you're at it. Push-ups will also help with good posture, since they work all of the muscles in your back and core. This means that when you stand up taller, you'll have better balance, which will give you more energy throughout the day, as well as keep injuries at a minimum. How do push-ups work? Push-ups work your muscles in every way possible. Like all full-body exercises, you're using your entire body as well as your core to keep yourself balanced and lift yourself up. This means that you'll be using a huge range of muscles each time you push up. Your arms, back, and chest are used to lift yourself up from the ground and lower yourself back down again. And like with any exercise, this is going to burn a lot more calories than a single body part workout alone. How long will it take? Think of push-ups as just a 6-minute workout. It may be harder at first, but once you get used to doing them, you won't even notice it anymore. This is because the key to mastering any exercise is to build up resistance and over time get stronger. Even if you're getting in 4 sets of 12 push-ups each day, your muscles are still going to be getting stronger, so this isn't as hard as it may seem at first. Once you're used to doing them, they'll feel easier, and you'll only need about 1 minute each time for your entire workout routine. You'll be able to fit push-ups anywhere you want and do them at any time. We hope you'll try this little push-ups challenge. It's a great way to start improving your health. Don't hesitate to give us some personal feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.